Multiple significant improvements to Apple's iPhone 15 have been disclosed through leaks, but one of the most unexpected has now come to light and makes a lot of sense. According to renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, all iPhone 15 models will use a new ultra-wideband (UWB) chip. The new chip, according to Kuo, will transition from a 16nm to a 7nm fabrication process, allowing for improved performance or reduced power consumption for nearby interactions. Though why now? Apple did not see the need to enhance UWB throughout the years. In fact, the corporation released it with the iPhone 11 in 2019 and referred to it as the U1 chip. Kuo asserts that the Apple Vision Pro is solely responsible. UWB is a short-range, radio wave-based wireless communication system, similar to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. UWB, in contrast to them, works at very high frequencies and has the ability to record data with extremely high spatial and directional accuracy. For the location-based capabilities on the U1 like Find My precision finding, like AirTags, and AirDrop, this was sufficient, but Vision Pro's spatial awareness functions at a whole other level. Yes, at $3,500, the Vision Pro is unlikely to be a big seller when it launches in early 2024, but Apple still has to prepare the rest of its renowned ecosystem of linked devices. The Apple Watch, HomePod, HomePod Mini, and even the most recent AirPods Pro charging case all have an U1 chip, so there may be a cascading impact as well. It remains to be seen if the new chip fuels the spreading speculations that the iPhone 15 would cost more money. Most iPhone 15 upgraders will focus more on the leaked camera and design improvements than the U2 chip, or whatever it is called given the obvious issue with this branding, but it is another subtly significant sign of Apple preparing for a future beyond smartphones as it moves towards an AR/VR future. What more improvements in UWB technology might we anticipate from Apple in the future, and how may they affect the company's plans for augmented reality and virtual reality? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.